If you ever lost a ChatGPT conversation and you're wondering whether it can be brought back, the first thing to know is this. Recovery depends on whether the chat was archived or actually deleted, and that difference matters a lot. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to recover a deleted ChatGPT chat, what you can and cannot recover, and the one exception that might still save your conversation. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech guides just like this. Let's get into it. First, open ChatGPT in your browser and sign in to the account where the chat was saved. Once you're in, think back to what happened to the conversation. If the chat was archived, then there's good news, because archived chats are not truly gone. Archiving only hides the chat from your sidebar, but the data is still there. That means you can bring it back. To check for archived chats, click your profile icon. Depending on your layout, you may see it in the bottom left corner or the top right corner. From there, open Settings. Once the Settings menu appears, look for Data Controls. This is where ChatGPT keeps options related to your conversation history and account data. Inside Data Controls, locate Archived Chats and click Manage. You should now see a list of chats that were archived instead of deleted. Find the conversation you want to recover, then click the Unarchive icon. As soon as you do that, the chat should reappear in your sidebar like normal. Now, if your chat was not archived but actually deleted, the situation is different. If you clicked Delete and confirmed it, ChatGPT removes that conversation from your interface permanently. OpenAI's official stance is that deleted chats cannot be restored through the app or by contacting support. So if the chat was truly deleted, there is no built-in recovery button, no hidden restore option, and no way to bring it back directly from the ChatGPT interface. There is, however, one important exception that you should check right away. If you previously exported your data, you may still have a copy of that conversation saved in your export files. To do that, go back to Settings, then open Data Controls and choose Export Data. If you had already requested an export before the chat was deleted, OpenAI would have sent the data to your email. In those files, you may find the conversation inside either the HTML file or the JSON file. So if you are trying to recover important information, this is the first place worth checking. It's also important to understand OpenAI's retention policy. Deleted data may be retained on their servers for up to 30 days for legal and security reasons, but that retention is not something users can access manually. In other words, even though the data may exist temporarily behind the scenes, you still cannot restore it from your account. So if the chat was deleted, your best chance is an earlier export, a saved copy, or any notes you may have taken outside ChatGPT. If you're not sure whether the chat was archived or deleted, it's worth checking your archived chats first, because that is the most realistic recovery path. Many people think a chat is gone forever when it's actually just hidden, and once you know the difference, you can save a lot of time and frustration. So to recap quickly, if the chat was archived, go to Profile icon, Settings, Data Controls, Archived Chats, then Manage and unarchive the conversation. If the chat was deleted, it cannot be recovered through ChatGPT itself. And if you have a previous data export, check the HTML or JSON files in your email for a copy of the conversation. I hope this helped you understand how to recover a deleted ChatGPT chat, or at least figure out whether your conversation is still recoverable. If you found this useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.